So I'm just gonna go to bed, and one lamp just went off. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am in Las Vegas for a hotel vlog series. I'll be staying at 3 very unique hotels over the next couple of days. Today I am in the north side of the Las Vegas Strip for day 1 of the series. Welcome to Circus Circus. It's a little bit past 8 a.m. I just made it to the hotel, so I'm just gonna wait a couple of hours to check in. I think it's a little bit too early. So I'm here at the food court having some breakfast, coffee, breakfast sandwich, and I'm just gonna walk around and explore the hotel. All right, finally time. Let's go to the front desk and let's see if my room is ready. I have a reservation. I know it's a little bit early. Okay, Roman.
One eternity later.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So I'm finally in my room. They did let me to check in early. It was a $20 extra fee, but no issues with that for a few extra hours. Totally worth it. So let's go ahead and give you the official tour of the room. So it's a really nice room. Obviously, it's not what you would expect from a high-end Las Vegas hotel, but you have all the amenities that you need. The room is clean, and downstairs there are a lot of different activities and things to do for families, for kids. There is actually a circus, which is the largest permanent circus in the world. So let's go downstairs and check it out. Alright, so I think I found it, and the circus is actually right in the middle of the casino floor, which is quite interesting. And I believe he's upstairs, so we're gonna start heading down and see what's going on. To the circus. Right around there is what they call Midway, carnival games, arcade, carnival food, just so much fun. The show is about to start. I see some clowns going around, so let's start heading that way. So there are a lot of different places that are close to the stores, restaurants, but it seemed pretty busy everywhere else. So I don't know why they keep them closed.
One eternity later.
It's nighttime and I'm just walking around just to kind of see the surrounding area. Quite honestly, fairly quiet. Something that I noticed very interesting, there is this building right here. It's kind of like detached from the main building. And it's just a casino. It's an extension of the main casino in the main building. But I thought it was interesting. I'm about to go to bed, but before I do, I have to tell you that I have mixed feelings about my stay here at Circus Circus. I want to let the entirety of my stay to finish tomorrow. Before I give you my full, honest review of my stay here. But clearly there are some issues, so I want to share those with you tomorrow. For now, I'm just going to go to bed, so I will see you in the morning. Morning, guys. It's day 2 here at Circus Circus. After I finish my breakfast, I'm going to go and check out the indoor amusement park and also check out the pool area. So I'm super excited about day 2 here at Circus Circus. So I made it to the pool area here at Circus Circus. Right now getting out of the cabanas that they have here for rent. So let me show you around the pool area. Let's start with the water slides right here. Those don't open until 12. This is the kids area. Green stand, bar in the corner, food truck, and there is the pool. And then that building right behind, the pink building, that's the indoor amusement park. And just like that, we made it inside Adventuredome. It's an indoor amusement park here at Circus Circus.
Let your mind be free. Stop holding back, 'cause you can fight it. Oh, I don't know your name, but something in me has ignited. Oh, I was down when I saw you in the clouds. Out of phase, filled with doubt. I was drifting in and out, levitate, fade away.
Hey guys, I have just a few minutes before my checkout time, so I want to give you a quick rundown of my experience here at Circus Circus. Let's start with the room. The room was really nice. I think for what I pay as far as the room rate, I think I got very good amenities. The room was clean, so no issues with the room. The circus theme, I think that met and exceeded my expectations. I think that between the shows, the arcade, the Adventuredome, they have a lot of things around the circus theme for the hotel. So again, that was really nice. So I highly recommend the hotel on that specific aspect. My challenge was the restaurants and the stores. During my time here, most of them were closed, and that really impacts your experience. Even if you come here on a Tuesday to a Wednesday, or you pay a higher or lower rate, you're expecting to have an experience. And unfortunately, everywhere you walk, there were a lot of closed signs. And so the options were very limited. The casino floor was nice, the pool was nice, but again, I think that the food and drinks are a big part of your experience. So if you're coming here on a weekday, and you're wanting to spend your entire time here, between the restaurants and the casino, the shows, and so on, I wouldn't recommend it because it will really impact your experience. On the weekends, I don't know how that looks like. I don't know if they open more places. I would imagine that they do, but I don't know. So I think that for me, my experience because of that one element did not meet my expectations. So on that side, I wouldn't recommend Circus Circus. I think it's fun to come in for the day and maybe watch some of the shows, go to the indoor amusement park. But as far as staying here and spending your entire time here, I wouldn't recommend it. But now I'm heading to Fremont Street for the second episode of our vlog series here in Las Vegas. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss that episode and the one following that. So again, thank you for supporting our channel, and I will see you very soon.